Hello guys, Dividend Enjoyer here, and today I want to talk about why I'm not investing in Nvidia or any chip stocks, why I'm kind of nervous about the semiconductor industry as a whole, and just overall my thoughts on Nvidia as a company and where I see it going in the future. So as you guys all know, Nvidia has had an insane run over the last couple of years. It's really clear that they're going to be the big player in creating the new AI world that we're going to be going into. But my hesitancy is just that they are so highly priced, and obviously we are anticipating a lot of production within the actual AI build outs that we're going to be seeing with different data centers and the training and everything like that. So obviously, yeah, there is going to be a lot of production needed from Nvidia during that. But what happens after these AI systems are more refined? Are we going to continue to need Nvidia? And is it possible for someone to overthrow Nvidia like they overthrew Intel? Because at the time it seemed like Intel was invincible as well, and I just think that that could be happening to Nvidia also. I also think that there's a lot of opportunity with some of the other Mag 7 stocks or just, big tech companies. And I just think that Nvidia is a very high risk play on the development of semiconductor chips. But I think that we're going to see more companies start to enter the production of semiconductors and semiconductor chips as a whole. I don't think Nvidia can just have like this monopoly forever. I don't think that's realistic. I think that AMD is also very competitive. I also think that there's a lot of risks with Nvidia that a lot of people don't really factor in. Obviously, there's the risk with China and all of those kind of political risks that come with owning the stock. There's always the risk of you can fall as high as the stock's market cap is because obviously they could just free fall. It's a very seasonal business, meaning that obviously they're able to create certain amount of chips over certain waves, and there's also demand kind of every couple of years within each sector, right? Because someone who just bought like a gaming GPU is not going to want to buy one immediately a year after, usually. I know there are some weird people who are really into it and love it, and God bless you, but that's not the majority of us, right? So I really do think that the future is probably more positive than it is negative for Nvidia. I just think that some of these other businesses that have kind of gone on sale more look like a better value with less underlying risk. And that's kind of why I'm not looking at Nvidia within my own personal portfolio. I do think that it's very reasonable if somebody would like Nvidia in their personal portfolio. And I really do think that it's a reasonable bet to be taking. It's just not a bet that I personally agree with or I personally think is going to be the most fruitful. Like, for example, I would rather be buying shares of Amazon at the current price than buying shares of Nvidia. And that's just my personal opinion. I think that it's run a little bit too much, and I think that there's a lot of risks there within the company. If it goes lower, I'll definitely have to take a look at it. I probably should do a DCF of it, but if I'm not sure on the underlying business, I mean, I don't really want to invest in it. I think that it's something that's, too complicated for me to really understand, and I don't think that it's worth the time for me to make a, informed decision on it. I'd gotten in for way cheaper. I definitely thought it was going to be something that was revolutionary and worth a lot. I kind of think it already happened. I do think that institutions are going to be coming in with a lot more money just overall in the entire market. So I do think that Nvidia overall is going to probably outperform or finish the year up, obviously. But, there's a lot of volatility there. There's a lot of factors there that I really don't like. And for that reason, that's why I really don't want to touch that particular company and invest in that particular company. I also want to say that I've started doing some just very chill streams. I want to do streams where I interact with you guys. Obviously, I didn't get a lot of interaction in my latest one simply because I didn't inform anyone. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I will be streaming here and there. I just got moved into new place, so I'm able to kind of do that a little bit more. And I'm really excited for the future. I hope you guys come and check out any of the streams that I decide to do. I really appreciate all the support from everyone who's been here since the beginning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video where I talked about Nvidia and why I would not want to buy it. Thank you for watching. Bye.